Okay, here we go. And we are from MP UPS Brahmanapalli, Mahabubawad. And here we are 8th class children. And today we are going to do one drama based on the lesson, The Tattered Blanket. So the theme is about the family relationships. How relationships in a family are being changed or being adapted towards time. As time changes, how a family relationship changes. So this is based on that. Based on that, we are creating a drama here. As Gopi, and Riya as Kamala, and Pranavi as mother. And introduce yourselves.
My name is Saidya. I am acting as Gopi.
My name is Shri. I am acting as a Kamala, Gopi's sister. My name is Pranavi. I am acting mother.
Start.
Kamala, there is somebody in the gate. Somebody in the car. Oh, Gopi, why this sudden unexpected visit? Come.
Use your own language whenever needs.
Kamala, who is it?
Amma, it's me, Gopi.
Who, Kamala? Who is it? Amma, why are you so scared? As if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. Gopi? Kamala, I cannot believe it. Has this school closer for vacation? Amma is often like these days. She doesn't recognize anybody, but sometimes her humor is quite sharp. Then she asks me if you have written any letter. I tell him, everything is fine with you and Vimala and the kids. What is the point of you haven't written any letter for a year?
I got promotion last year. After that, I am always in my group. I don't need any time to write a letter for you.
Why don't you ask Vimala to that? Or she doesn't get any time to? What are you mumbling over there? I heard somebody in a car. Who is it? Amma, I told you it's Gopi.
Yes, Amma. But Gopi is in Delhi. You say.
But Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he?
Yes, Amma. I am from Delhi. You.
Who did Gopi marry? What is her name?
It's okay.
Don't say that you have forgotten her name too. Don't you remember Vimala, district collector Nambai's eldest daughter? Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? I am terribly upset. I get
Any later.
any letter from Gopi every day. I told you.
Look at the way.
Look at the way she talks. I told you. She doesn't know nothing what going here. Do you? Who is that? Who is that in a car?
It's me.
It's me, Gopi.
Cover this. It's me. Okay, who is your
Who is your Amma? What is her name? Where
Cover
does she
three,
live? Is there far here?
No, it's quite near.
Gatiga, you raise your voice here. I don't.
I don't know. How can I get her memory back? Do you know my son Gopi? He is in Delhi, government officer. He is in
Kesari.
Kesari Yogam. He draws a salary of 2,500 rupees. Do you know him?
Yes, I know him.
Tell him to send a blanket, a red one. I had a blanket, but it is tattered now.
I will tell him.
I will tell you.
Yeah. You come in. Make her sit here. Yeah. Yes. Sit. Yes. And Maya. Go. Go and cover both. Cover both. You didn't come to see?
You didn't come to see Amma, did you?
The things.
Tell me it's too expensive. I have 4 children. I have not enough money to meet both ends with my salary. I want family property to sell and get some money.
You will say.
You will sell your land and go with the money. I know you won't come here anymore after that.
I will come when I get time.
I will come when I get time.
Your time, Amma is 83 years old. I don't know. She doesn't survive a longer.
But
But Amma can't remember me.
But you remember your Amma?